In the last video, I covered how you can add an onboarding funnel to your website using Groundhogg, and in this video, I'm really gonna break it down and cut open the template and replace the content with my content for my specific business, and that might give you some insights on how you can replace the content for your business and what resources might be helpful for your audience. So for my example, I'm using this wpcoursehelp.com. It is maybe a coaching / online course website teaching people how they can build their online course. And so my onboarding funnel is kind of going to pertain to that. So I have that opt-in page I was working on. Pages here in WordPress. I have my opt-in. And this is a form here. If I preview my page, this is where I put my shortcode here for Groundhogg. That is subscriber form right here. So whenever somebody fills out the form right here, they're going to be added to this sequence for my onboarding sequence. So maybe I would change the name from opt-in to subscribe for useful tips on building your online course. So that is maybe the prompt on this page, and maybe you'd want to add some more information here. Pretty much what I'm saying here is go ahead and sign up below to receive some useful tips for building your course. And so once they've opted in for that, Groundhogg's going to go ahead and make them a user. It's going to give them a tag, adding them to my general mailing list, and we're going to send them a confirmation email. So let me edit this email and see what exactly are we sending, and I'll replace the content with mine. So I'm saying here, hey, first name, and of course if you need any of these short codes here, these are useful for taking the contact's first name or any of these fields and displaying them within your email. So thanks for subscribing to business name. That's the Groundhogg business name you filled out when setting up Groundhogg. I'm just going to change that to WP Course Help list. Thanks for signing up to my list. I know you're going to love it. So I'm going to change this text we to I, since I currently run the business by myself. So I'm just going to change we to I here. I know you're going to love it here. I'll only send you emails that I think you'll enjoy. So if you don't, you can always unsubscribe. And to make sure we start off on the right foot, please confirm below. And so this is going to be the confirmation link that will ultimately send them down to this part of the step to send them into our onboarding funnel. So they click that link, and that's it. You're part of the family. All right. Best of luck. I'm just going to change this from Will from WP Course Help. There we go. So that looks like a good email to me. Let me actually check my subject here. Please confirm your email. That's pretty good, actually. I'll just leave that there. And of course you could add a reply to email. If you do reply to this email, it's going to go to my default email there. But if you had something specific, you could replace it if it's supposed to go to somebody specific if they reply to this. So that confirmation email is good. Let me check out my second request for confirmation. This is if they do not click confirm, they just ignore the email. This is going to go out to them one day later. Hey, first name, we haven't received, you have not confirmed your email address yet. Before you can become part of the family, we need to know it's actually you. And this way we're not adding emails to our list. This confirmation is pretty clever. This way we're not actually adding people to our list. If someone just types in a spam email, they actually have to confirm the email for us to start sending them emails. It's a pretty useful way to do it. So let me come in here. Please confirm your email and you're officially part of the family. Will from WP Course Help. And yeah, that's pretty good. Still want to join? I'll call that good. That's pretty good for my business setup here. And then once they do click that confirmation link, we're going to give them a tag that says they've confirmed, and then send them a welcome email. Let's take a look at the welcome email. All right, let's get acquainted. Sure. Hey, first off, I'm so happy to have you as part of the WP Course Help family. It's a real honor. Before we start sending you anything else, I thought we should get acquainted. All right, my name is Bill Middleton, and let me actually unbold that I started, and this is just a little bit about your business specifically, course help to help course creators easily build their websites. Just a little auto correct here. And of course you can switch this out with whatever you have for your content. So let me unbold that. Help course creators easily build their websites. And then here, is that a different? That looks like the font size might be a little smaller there. All right, fix that up there. All right, so now that you know a bit about me, let's get you started. All right, so the first thing you should do, now that you're a member, is do something like this. So I would say maybe check out this tutorial if you haven't already. Of course. Haven't already. So I'm going to leave that in bold. So check out this tutorial if you haven't already. And I actually have a maybe a full site build tutorial I want to promote. I do have that actually as a course here on my website. So maybe if you have a YouTube video that's super useful, or a resource for your community that's really useful, this course I have is really useful for course creators getting started. So I'm just going to promote that, and I'm going to hyperlink it right here in my email. So that's going to send them a link right to my course page to enroll and check out this course on building courses if they're new to my list here, if they haven't already. So change this again, Will from WP Course Help. So yeah, that's a simple, concise email, and it looks good to go to me. So now we have our sequence completely finished. When somebody comes to my page here, and I could add this to the menu, I could link to it really anywhere. It's not the opt-in page, it's the, change the title here. There we go. Subscribe for useful tips. Once they subscribe here, they are going to receive a confirmation email that we have now customized, and they're going to be added to my onboarding funnel. And after that, I can simply add more steps if I wanted to. I could then wait maybe a day. So a delay timer if I wanted to maybe wait an additional day, 3 minutes, we'll just say 1 day. Just like the tip we had in video 2 here, you're going to want to send out some consistent emails to make sure customers are actually getting onboarded onto your product. So we're going to delay for a day, and then maybe send them a second email that may point them to another useful resource, or maybe promote another product I have, or like a live coaching. For this business, it might be, hey, do you want to jump on a call with me? And it kind of upsells to my coaching, like one-on-one kind of Zoom kind of stuff. That might be something I could add to my onboarding funnel here. And really, that's all you need to do. You can take it from here. And now in the next video, what we'll do is go through and test to make sure my setup and confirmation works, and that I get my welcome emails. I'll see you in the next video.